Here we go, room tour. July 26th, we're at the Palazzo at the Venetian. Here's the bathroom. Here we go. Nice mirror. Cool. There I am. Yas. All right, we're coming on around here. And there's the bed. Nice king size. This is the king suite. Nightstands. There's like a step down into the little sitting area here. Cool, with the second television. Let's check out our view. Wait, we gotta let the blinds up. Here we go. Drapery. So I had to push this little button. Does that work? Oh, open. Oh, sheer. Open. Oh, look at that. I'm fancy. See, I hit that button. We did not pay for the extra view of the strip. That's okay. It's still all good. There's our view. Got some rooftop. That's all right. There's monorail. There's mountains. You can see planes coming off, going off. And there's the wheel. The high rider is right there. And then you can see the Venetian. See, there's the Venetian. And then there's some pools down there. Cool, that's our room. Well, I'm starving, so put this stuff down and get ready to eat and enjoy the vacay. What is this? This is the Grand Canal at the Venetian. See? The little singing people. We are so not doing that. And they have the ones in the inside too. There's Treasure Island. Mirage. It's right there. And Harrah's, whatever, it's right there. Alright. There's my handsome husband. We're inside the wind. It's July 29th? No, 30th. Whatever. It's Tuesday. We're inside the wind. This is what it looks like. What's today? It's Tuesday, June 30th. We're walking on the strip. There's the Flamingo, the Venetian Palazzo down there. We're going to the Palazzo. We're walking this way. All right. Good little spot for like people watching. It's at the Paris restaurant, so that's the Cosmopolitan, and then look, there is the Bellagio right there. So
hi folks, I'll be right with you, okay?
The water show will start soon. There's Caesars. Here's a look at what's going on the strip right now. It's about, it's 6:59. So that's what it looks like. I guess it'll be getting dark soon. And we'll see what it looks like. Here's some Vegas girls. Hey, come take a picture. It was 102 degrees today. It's so dry. That's my water. The show at the Bellagio is going on. it's looking like. Alright. Walking on the strip. Just left restaurant. It was not good. It was Hex at the Paris. It was even Keith's food wasn't good. He had some salmon. And I had a chicken sandwich. How do you mess up a chicken sandwich? I don't know. Confused about it and mad because it was expensive and didn't even taste good. So I'm on this little walk bridge. This was outside. Yeah. So anyway, guess we're headed back toward the hotel now.
We're gonna try to score some extra tickets.
I don't think we're getting them. We don't want to pay the $300. So it's our last morning. We're at Grand Lux Cafe. We just had breakfast. Plates are empty. Well, he had some French toast and chicken left and some bacon. That whole plate was full of bacon. He probably ate like at least 5-6 pieces of bacon. He's full. There's the casino. It's our last morning here. I had chicken and waffles, as you can see, it's gone. And a mimosa, which is also gone. There's one piece of chicken left right there. I'll probably go play some slots or maybe go to the pool later. I would love to go to the pool. But we'll see.